Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at a question from paper 1F of the May 2017 past paper from the AQA examining board, and this is the 8300 series. So this is AQA 8300 series 1F. Past paper, 25th of May 2017, and we're picking up in question 1. Okay, question 1 says, how many minutes are there in 3.5 hours? Okay, so a lot of people seem to get this one right when they took the exam, according to the examiner's note. I'll just give you all the wrong answers first. Some people might have panicked and thought, oh well, there's a half on the end of it, and a half is 0.5, and the only answer that says that has a 0.5 on the end is this one, so this might be the right answer, and that would be wrong. Another thing you might think is, well, half an hour is 30 minutes, and this has a 30 on the end. Again, that would be the wrong answer. And another one is that a half of 100 is 50, and this says 50, so you might guess this. Again, that would be wrong. But most people actually got this answer right, and the way we get 210 is that there are 60 minutes in an hour, so this is 3 times 60 plus a half times 60. Well, 3 times 6 is 18, so 3 times 60 is 180, plus, and then a half of 6 is 3, so a half of 60 is 30. And then we add that together. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, so there's your 210. And that's for 1 mark. Obviously these calculations will probably be done in your head, but you can write them down if you want to. And for question 2 says work out 1/4 plus 0.5. Well, I think we're expected to know that 1/4 is 0.25, so this is 0.25 plus 0.5, or 0.50. And that's equal to, well, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, decimal point, and then there's the 0. So it's 0.75. According to the examiner's report, some people said 0.9. I suspect what they did, they added that 4 to the 5 and said, well, that's 9, and this is the only one that's got a 9. And that would be the wrong way to reason. I'm not sure where people might get these two answers from. I think they're quite spurious actually, but there you go. If you didn't know that 1/4 was 0.25, you could, I suppose, have tried to work it out by saying 4 divided by 1. Well, 4 into 1 won't go, so that's 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Take that away, that leaves 1. Put your decimal point in, put in another 0, bring down the 0. 4 into 10 goes 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Take that away, that leaves 2. Put in another 0 and bring that down. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Take that away, there's no remainder, so there's no need to do anything, so the answer is 0.25. And then you can add that to the 0.5, and so you've got 0.50 plus 0.25, and that's equal to, again, 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, point and 0. And that way you would have got your answer. However, that's a lot of work for 1 mark. I suspect that the examiners were really expecting you to know that 1/4 is 0.25. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.